Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome back to Jettie Rocks Fishing. Well, today we're going to be doing another catch, clean, and cook. We haven't done one in a while. The last one we did, I think, was a black drum. And today we're going to be doing a snook. First time I've actually caught a legal snook on my channel, so I can do a catch and clean and cook for y'all. Well, actually, Summer caught the snook. Very nice snook. So real quick, guys, check out this clip of Summer catching this awesome snook. Then I'll see you guys at the cleaning table, and I'll see y'all in the kitchen, y'all. This should be really good. Get him, Summer. Summer got him. You got him? All right, Summer's hooked up. Get him, girl. All right. That's how you do it. Do an intro and you got a nice fish. Oh, this is a very nice fish. Okay, don't horse him. Don't horse him. Do not horse him. I'm gonna tighten the drag a little bit. All right, there you go. There you go. You got it. Don't horse a kiddo. All right, Summer. What you got, kiddo? Don't horse him. Don't horse him.
I'm not.
Oh wow. What you got? You got him, girl? When he's running like that, don't reel. There you go. No, you ain't got a shark. That's not a shark. So that's either gonna be a big red fish, a black drum, or a snook. Come on, pick it up, reel down.
I can't.
That's a big fish, kid. Don't let him get on them trim tabs. Do not let him get on the trim tabs. Here, let me see it just for a second, honey. Just for a second. Come over here. Come over here. Over here. Might be a jack. Might be a jack. Alright. Yeah, that didn't help out at all. Don't let him get on that trim. Okay, you're getting close. You're getting close. Big old snook. Come over here. Okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
It's a snicket.
And I think he's a keeper, Summer. I think that's a keeper. That is your first snook. Hi.
The biggest
5.
ever caught.
God, that is a nice fish, kid. Oh my gosh. Dude, they got sharp gills. Be careful. Let's make sure he's legal real quick. 28 to 30, 28 to 32. Oh my, dude, I'm shaking. Let me high five, kid. High five. Oh my God.
I got the fish stick.
I'm a proud daddy right now. Holy
Okay,
cow.
28.
28 to 32.
28 to 32.
Oh my gosh, kid. 29.
29.
High five.
Yeah.
You got your keeper snook, Summer. Oh, I gotta take a picture of that for mommy. That's not your first snook, I don't think. You've caught small ones before.
First key.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we got Summer's beautiful snook here. So we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning it. And we got cats. There's Charger jumping up here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna go right along this backbone, guys. Just come through. And right about where this fin starts, I'll push my knife through. And I'm gonna just follow that backbone all the way out. Straight out the tail. Beautiful. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna peel it back. Make sure you hear that clicking noise. You know you're getting right up against that rib, that backbone. When we get to the rib cages here, we're going to go above them. Try to anyway. Just like that. Just like this, guys. Beautiful. There we go. That is an awesome looking snook fillet. Very nice snook fillet. All right, we got another fillet right here. Let's go along. And we're just gonna pull the skin as I'm running the knife along the skin. It'll come right off. Just like that. A little bit of pin bones right there. I'll feed this to the cats. Clean this up a little bit right here. Feed all that to the kitties. There we go, guys. 2 more nice good chunks of snook. You know what we're gonna do here is we'll just cut these up. I'll feed this to my babies here. You know, some of y'all like seeing my little stray cats. Here we go. We got Charger, and this is Pussfoot. And they love raw fish. And this is Cheeto, which Pussfoot doesn't allow Cheeto to eat half the time. So let's see if I can't get a couple pieces. There you go, Cheeto. There you go, buddy. All right, all 3 of them eating. All right, guys, well, we're in the kitchen. And we got our big chunk of snook here. So we're just going to put 2 of them in here because it's way more than the 3 of us can eat. So we got that right there. Clean off my hands. And then what we're going to do, guys, real simple, super easy. We're just going to put some soy sauce in here, just a little bit of soy sauce. Just cover over the meat just a little bit like that. Put a little bit in there. And then the main thing is that we're using some poke marinade. This stuff is amazing. We used it the other day on some wahoo. No, I didn't do a catch and cook on the wahoo because I didn't have the cleaning part. So we just did some poke bowls with some wahoo. And let me tell you guys, it was amazing. So we had some leftover poke sauce. And so I decided to try it the other night on some pink porgies that we had. Baked them in the oven with some poke sauce, and it was delicious. So I'm going to do that with some snook. So we're just going to put this poke sauce all over the fish here. Just like this. We're going to coat the bottom so we have some sauce to put over our rice. Basically, I'm just going to use the rest of this bottle. I'm going to use some sesame seeds. Put some sesame seeds on top of this. And if I had some scallions, I would put some scallions on this. I really would. But that's it, guys. This is going to be what we got. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cover this up. And we're going to bake it in the oven for about 25 minutes at 375 degrees. And we're going to be good to go. All right, y'all. It's out of the oven. Woo! Oh, boy. Man, will you look at that. Oh, man, it looks awesome. All right, it just happened to have me a plate full of rice here. Give me a nice little piece of that snook right there. Woo-wee. And over here, I have me a spoon. Give me some of that juice to put on here. Holy cow. Alright, guys. Doesn't that look just absolutely phenomenal? I wish y'all could smell it. Holy cow. Alright guys, well, here we go. Here is my snook. So I'm going to get a nice little piece of it right here. Look at that, guys. I got a cat scratching the doggone thing here. Wow. Oh, man. Man, that is awesome. That is so good. It tastes like that stuff you get at the Chinese buffets, where they have that fish and that little liquid, have the scallions all over it. I don't know what they call it, but that stuff's awesome. That tastes just like it. It tastes identical to it. That is really good, guys. Super simple. You just got to go find the poke sauce. I get mine at Walmart. And I don't even know what to say, guys. That is just absolutely... Look at a flake on that thing. That's stupid good. That's stupid good. Well, guys, I hope you try this. If you don't have snook, try it with something else. That is really good. I wish I had some scallions, though. Scallions would add a whole nother layer to it, which would have been awesome. But, dude, that's great. So I want to thank you guys very much for watching this video and hanging out with me this evening, eating dinner with me, and watching all my videos and subscribing, hitting the thumbs up, commenting on my videos. You guys are awesome. I appreciate y'all very much. Until I see y'all again here soon, Top 9's Jettie Rockers. We'll be seeing y'all. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rockers Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.